house? Write in the comments if you want to review my muscles, okay? So, I'm gonna review now my muscles. Then look at this. My grade is 3 and I'm practicing that sponge or something. That's why I have muscles. And I'm strong enough. I can punch walls. Peanut hurts.
What are you doing?
His username is Michael Baltazar minus Y5 and it is the same account.
What are you doing?
Now,
What are you
I'm just videoing around. Don't even know. No, I'm videoing whatever. I'm so happy. This is our picture, guys. My soulmates. This is my classmates. And this is our family. Wait, guys, I'm gonna freeze it.
Isa ka din. Sabi ko magaganyan. Ano na yung gagawin nyo?
I just wanna get close again to you.
Bro!
Guys,
The sunlight is strong. Bro! You're ruining my picture, bro. Oh my god.
You freak!
But the original sound is this.